Okay, I have my new favorite product to show you. These are 10-ounce stainless steel toddler cups, and guess what? They are leak proof, and they are actually leak proof. If you're like me and you scour every listing on Amazon for something that's truly leak proof, and not just leak proof with the lid shut, like I have a 1 and a 3-year-old, they're not shutting any lids, they are throwing these things around. I have finally found it, the holy grail of leak proof cups. So details about this. This is the 10-ounce size. They also come in 8 ounces. I'll show you the colors that I got. I got the more girlier color set. So we have this pink one, a purple one, a yellow one, this cute little green and pink one. And it also comes with a little straw cleaner to make cleaning easier. So let me show you how these work. First of all, this straw is completely silicone. I always worry about my kids jabbing their teeth with harder straws and spouts. So this one is completely flexible and silicone. Love that. There's silicone all around the edge for grip, which is gonna be super helpful. Like I said, this is stainless steel. This is gonna be pretty indestructible. It's gonna be great when you have kids throwing them all over the floor. Here's the top. There's no spill here. This is full of water right now, and it is not going anywhere. It doesn't go anywhere even when you shake it. Like it doesn't leak. Let me show you what the inside looks like and prove to you that there's actually water in here without spilling it all over the place. This straw is plastic here, and it just sticks in right there. These are the only parts that you have to clean. And the reason this works so well is because the inside has those perforations where you need to squeeze down with your lips in order for the liquid to come out. It's perfect. Let's see if it can survive my toddlers. I wanted to demo these with my 1 and 3-year-old for you to see that they really are leak proof, and they're going to be really durable. So if you're on the hunt for a new cup for your toddlers, check out this one. I highly recommend it.